Hi everyone, thanks for watching. And in this video, we will analyze the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum for the next week. Now we are in 26th of June, and we will try to get the price of the 30th of June, how much the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum will be. So we have the last price of Bitcoin the last weeks or the last 2 weeks was 19,800, and now it's in 21,284. So let's start making a small introduction about Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency that is decentralized. Basically, it was created by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008. And the most important that Satoshi Nakamoto wanted to create was to create a crypto, like a currency that only will be trade between equal parts, meaning that there is no bank between the user. If Daniel, that I myself want to send money to Javier, I can send directly money to him, and there is no bank between us, and there is no commission. So that was the main revolution about Bitcoin. And for each transaction that is made inside the blockchain of Bitcoin, the miners have to check it in a very hard and difficult mathematic logic. Once they solve this, the transaction can be completed. And that's the main core of Bitcoin. It's basically a cryptocurrency that um, the goal is to trade money. Now it's called the gold uh, cryptocurrency. And Ethereum basically is the second biggest cryptocurrency in the market. Um, Basically, Ethereum is another blockchain that allows other technologies to be inside Ethereum and to create what is called smart contract inside the blockchain of Ethereum. And the creator, it's called Vitalik Buterin, and he created Ethereum in 2013. So let's go to check the prices. So now Bitcoin is in 20,285, and Ethereum is in 1225. So how we are going to analyze the price? We will go here to trading view. I have already opened my windows. I have 3 windows of Bitcoin and 3 windows of Ethereum. Basically, what I did was click here in the EMA. The EMA is the media mobile exponential. The green one is the one that is moving fast, and the red one is the EMA that is going very slow. So basically, we can analyze here that here we are in one day. We can analyze when the fast EMA touched the slow, and we can see it here very clearly. The price will go up. And this study that I did is in one day. If we come here to 1 hour, we can see that it can also happen the same. I will see that maybe in 4 hours, the green, like the EMA, the number 3, will touch the red one, and the price will go higher. And if we go here also in 30 minutes, we are in exactly on the same position. So my suggestion for the price of Ethereum for the next week, for maybe 29 or 30, is that the price will go to 21,600 more or less, 21,800. Um, that's my analysis of Bitcoin. And if we go here to Ethereum, we are in a very similar position, and we can analyze the same here in one day. We can check that it's already touched the EMA 3, has already touched the EMA 9, so that the price should be also going up. we can go here to 1 hour. Also, we are in the same position that the price will touch the EMA, the fast one will touch the slow one, so the price will go higher. And here, if we go to 30 minutes, it's already happening. So I think that the price of Ethereum in this week, maybe in 29 or 30, will go to 1260, 1280, or maybe 1300. I hope that you like the video. Please subscribe to our channel and like the video so we can continue giving updates on the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we will continue with prices of Cardano and Solana. Uh, Thank you very much. Um, we will continue talking about a little bit about Bitcoin and Ethereum. Basically, to continue explaining how Bitcoin works, Bitcoin is a coin that is peer to peer. Basically, all the transactions are directly between the participants, equally and independent, and there is no necessity of someone to control it. So that's why Bitcoin is very important. And the creator of Bitcoin was called Satoshi Nakamoto. He created in 2008, and he's anonymous. Um, but the main goal of Bitcoin was to create a cryptocurrency that it can be traded by peer-to-peer persons. And also, every time there is a transaction in Bitcoin, there is called blocks, and each block is being uh, solved by the miners, by people that are mining, by very complex mathematically um, and resolutions. Um, so Bitcoin, why is the most important? Because Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency in the world created. So once Bitcoin started, the rest of the divisions of the cryptocurrency started to become. And also, if you check always the price of Bitcoin is the like the mother of the other cryptocurrency. So if Bitcoin go higher, the rest tend to go higher also. Um, Another very important thing about Bitcoin is that there is only 21 million Bitcoins, and there is no way to create more. And another very interesting thing is called the halving. The halving is being created in each 4 years. So basically, the halving is saying that in every 4 years, the amount of bitcoins that the miners can mine, it it's coming very low. So if there is less bitcoin in the market, so there is more scarcity, the price that will tend to go higher. That's the main goal. Here we can see Ethereum, the prices. So basically, Ethereum, the main goal of Ethereum is to create a smart contract on the blockchain. So basically, it was created for people that want to create contracts, and they don't want to have also a centralized part that will allow them to create business and contract. So that's the main goal of Ethereum, to create smart contracts. Also, in Ethereum, now it's coming to Ethereum 2.0. So basically, the difference between Ethereum 1.0 and Ethereum 2.0 is that in Ethereum 1.0, it was the Ethereum were mined by proof of work. Proof of work meaning that each miner has to resolve mathematical problems. And now proof of stake will be that every person that has at least maybe 100 Ethereum can become a miner. So it's changing completely the way Bitcoin will be mined. And also the difference is between Ethereum 2.0 and Ethereum 1.0 is that if you can imagine Ethereum 1.0, it would be like a only one highway with one way and another way, and Ethereum 2.0 will be the same highway but with 10 or 100 levels. So a lot of transactions could be done in the same time. That's the most important. And continue with Bitcoin. The best way to buy cryptocurrency is through Binance. Binance is one of the biggest exchanges in the world, and basically what we can do is we can go to Binance in the peer-to-peer, and we can send a bank transfer to another person, and he will give us um, the the cryptocurrency that we have already buy. Each uh, exchange like Binance has their own wallet, so it's very important that we have our own wallet and our own number of identification. That if we lose our wallet, we can have and we can include that number to recover the wallet. So that's something that's very important. So to make a conclusion, we can see definitely that the price of Bitcoin that now is 21,295, and the price of Ethereum that the price is 12,27. I think in the next weeks they will go higher. So in my point of view, if we check it again here, it's a very good moment to buy, but we need to be very careful to sell it in the correct time to make our profit uh, in Bitcoin and also on Ethereum. I think that it's a very good moment to buy. Um, I think that the prices will go higher on the 29 or 30. Um, I think that, yeah, exactly, it's a very good moment. So next videos we will analyze other crypto um, currency as Cardano and Solana. We will make it very quick. This is coin market cap. Here is showing us the top 100 coins. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, USD coin, and BNB. These are the top five cryptocurrencies in the market. Then we have Ripple, Binance USD, Cardano, and Solana. Um, so if you want to check it, also here we can see the market cap of Bitcoin and the market cap of Ethereum. Um, we can see here all the market cap, and here all the market cap of Ethereum. I hope that you really enjoy the video. The next video we will talk about, like I say, Cardano and Solana, also Polkadot, and every week I will come with news. And next week we'll see if the price that I say are correctly. I hope that you will like our videos. It's my first time doing videos, so I hope you support me. And I have so many ideas and so many good things to share with the community. And yeah, thanks for watching. My name is Daniel. I'm from Argentina. I'm planning to go to the United States. So thanks very much for watching.